Where I live, it is so hot in the summer that it's really difficult to keep any kind of plants alive. So I was really happy to receive these Take Art artificial flowers for review, and I've been really happy with the look and the quality of these. I think they're absolutely beautiful. The set I got came with all these different colors of little posies. Kind of remind me of a tulip-shaped flower like a pansy. And they're really good quality. It comes with this one fern, which is great because it can give your arrangement some height. And when they came, they were all wrapped up. They come wrapped and kind of all like this, wrapped up in plastic together. But if you just do this, and you get them, they just flounce out really well. And they're bendable, and wherever you bend these two, they're gonna hold their shape. So they're really versatile for indoor and outdoor arrangements, and really pretty. I mean, the variety of the colors in this pack are really gorgeous and very summery, and I think they're gonna do great. I'm pretty excited to put them outside in my front yard because nothing really tends to grow there. There's too much sun. So if you're needing some artificial flowers that can take the heat and still look pretty all summer long, then I highly recommend you get these.